Welcome to our TRXio tutorial videos. In this video we go over the basics of creating and using orders in the TRXio system. In our video on moving inventory, we showed you how to move items to external customers without an order. In this video we'll show you how to move items to an external customer using an order. There are two ways to do this. The first is using the transfer to customer function. Simply start typing in the name of the customer, choose them, choose Make a New Order from the Order Number field, scan the items you wish to add to the order into the Scan Item field. Each item will appear on the items in this transfer list at the bottom of the page. Click the Save Transfer button. The order is now saved and the items in the order are moved out of your inventory to the chosen customer. The other way to create an order is to choose Add Order from the Orders tab. Again, begin typing the name of your customer, choose them. If the order is associated with a particular project and/or phase, choose those. We will cover projects and phases in another video. If a user is assigned to this order, choose them. If there are particular terms for this order, you can choose them. If there is a reference number or PO number associated with this order, you can enter them into these fields. If there is any specific information on the location for this order, it can be entered into the location field. And lastly, if there is a requested ship date, that information can be entered here. Then you start typing in the product names and choosing the products to be added. For each item, you choose a quantity for the item. The rate will be automatically entered from the information entered into that item's product page. If no rate has been entered, you may manually enter one now. You may also change the rate by entering a new one. Choose the particular location you want this item pulled from in your inventory. If you choose any, TRXio will automatically choose the oldest item in your inventory for you. Press the green button to add another line so that you can add more inventory. Choosing the red button will delete a line. Continue adding your products this way until you've completed your order. Click the Save button when you're finished adding the items to your order. Once you save the order, this row of buttons will appear. These buttons give you options of printing out different lists, adding notes, or closing out the order. For instance, the Transfer button. This opens the Transfer to Customer page for the order, so you can scan items to complete the order. Back to our original order. The Pick List button will open a pick list for your warehouse workers. This printable pick list has a QR code at the top. you can either scan the printed pick list while in TRXio or click on the screen, and this will take you to the master carton. The master carton will allow you to add items to be reserved for the order. See our video on the reserve function for more information on this. The work order button opens up a printable work order. Scanning the QR code or clicking on it at the top of the order opens the Transfer to Customer page again, allowing you to scan items to complete the order. The Invoice button opens up a printable invoice. Again, scanning or clicking on the QR code. In this case, opens the Edit Order page for that order, so you can add or remove items to the order. The New button opens the Add Order page, so you can create a brand new order. The Notes button lets you add notes or images to the order. And lastly, the Close order will close out the order once it is finished. That's it for this tutorial on the basics of orders. We hope it was informative, and thank you for using TRXio.